Want to create AI UGC videos that look like this? Here's exactly how I made it. Step 1. Go to Tagshop AI and create a free account. Link in bio. Step 2. On the homepage, click Text to Video. Make sure the model is set to Seedance 2.0. Step 3. Upload your reference media. This can be images, a video clip, or background audio. The more you give it, the better the output. Step 4. Get your prompt. Open Claude or ChatGPT and type create a UGC ad for a skincare product using Tagshop AI and Seedance 2.0. If you have product images, upload them for an even better prompt. Step 5. Go back to Tagshop AI. Paste your prompt, upload your media. Step 6. Choose your resolution, duration, and aspect ratio. Then hit generate. That's it. Your AI UGC video is ready. Pro tip: use the start frame and last frame feature to create longer, more cinematic videos. Just set your opening shot and your closing shot, and Seedance fills in everything in between. This is how DTC brands are creating scroll stopping AI UGC ads without a crew, without a budget, and without leaving their desk. Follow for more AI UGC tutorials every week.